Hey guys, it's the RC Bros. We've got a new remote control boat.
Cool. So it's the Fei Lin brushless racing boat FT012 unboxing. Top speed 45 kilometers per hour. It's about 30 miles per hour, maybe. Maybe it's the other way.
Yep. So
Show us the boat. It's real nice, real big, real heavy, solid. We got the nose protector on since we're just in the pool today.
we got a pond.
Got our lovely blue pond here. You want to show them the remote?
Yep.
Pretty heavy duty. Trigger style.
Yep.
Cool.
So let's get in. Wait,
Alright.
let's see if it has self-guiding.
I think you do, but you have to like make it go. That's not
Well, I
working.
don't want to waste the battery, so.
Yeah, we'll figure out. I think you have to use the rudder, but
Yeah, I think. This is not the top speed.
yeah, we're on low speed right now since we're just in the pool. How's it drive? Pretty smooth?
I've seen people, instead of hold it like this, they do.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Well, that's why I would rather do it in a lake.
Yeah, lake has less obstacles. What?
I can go a little bit.
Yeah, do a high speed just for a second.
Wait, hang on, let me get that. The backup is really serious. Okay, high speed is going to be super fast.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa.
Give it another hit.
Now I'm going again.
Okay.
I put it on a little bit.
Yeah, we'll have to do another video where we take it out to an actual lake. Cinnabon's kind of getting used to him. He used to bark all the time at him. Now
I
he's
used to bark like
now he kind of just watches.
RC cars usually does that because it's on land.
Yeah, RC cars, he goes a little crazy.
Just going in some circles.
Really pretty Sunday here in Houston. Not too long from swimming.
Hang on, wait. Let's make a circle.
right, anything else you want to say? What do you think? How many out of 10?
10.
10 out of 10? Cool. All right, we'll make another video when we go to the lake. We can really open it up.
Yep.
But we just want to make sure it works. Like and subscribe, please. Many more videos to come.
Bye.
Bye.